In this video, I will show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Wix. In order to do that, just type in here the domain that you want to use. So for example, let's put in here this domain name. And then once you have done that, it will search GoDaddy for that domain and it will show you some extensions as well. So for this one, just choose which domain you want to use. For example, let's use this tiara.com. Let's click on this add to cart option. Now, once you have done that, just wait for this to load. Once it's done loading, just click on this continue option and then it will show you the registration wherein it will ask you for protection. You can choose in here the main protection. Just head over and click on continue once you're done. And you can see in here the checkout page for that domain. So what you can do in that way is just head over and then just purchase that domain that you have with GoDaddy. So once you have that domain, you can head over and then go next to your Wix. From in there, just scroll down and click on settings. And then from in there, scroll down again and click on the main. From in there, you can just head over and then input right here your domain that you have purchased from GoDaddy. Click on let's go and then just follow the on-screen instructions in order to connect those two together. So that's how you connect GoDaddy domain to Wix. Hope we helped.